What's going on? It's Mike. I'm back again with another video. In this video, we're doing a disaster interior detail. From what I've been told, the car's been sitting for a while. Plus, the seats are pretty dirty. Got a process. So if you don't mind watching detailing videos, product reviews, how-to videos, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. In the meantime, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. From P&S, I'm going to be using Terminator. It's a spot and stain remover. This uniquely formulated product is a blend of dry and wet cleaning chemicals and degreasers that quickly remove spots and stains. Terminator cuts grease, oil, dirt, food related stains, used to pre-treat spots, stains on the carpets and upholsteries prior to shampooing. While that Terminator sit there and do its magic, I'm going to use Express from P&S on the door panels, on the door sills, B-pillars, the back of the front seats, anything I can clean up, center consoles, all that stuff. I'm going to do that now with some steam. The steamer I use is the Chief Steamer. I freaking absolutely love it. If you want to use any of these products, I'll have the listings down below for you. From P&S, step 2 is Bomber. I'll be using Bomber on some of these stains. And then I got my Dewalt drill gun, and I do have a stiff brush on there, the yellow one. And then once I'm done getting all that, got the Chief Steamer. Has an attachment you can hook up to your wet vac, which I have the rigid shop vac, which I've made it my wet vac for this steam attachment. And just watch the power this thing possesses. Natural finish conditions, softens, and preserves and protects all vinyl and rubber surfaces. Includes UV sunscreen for protection against the harmful effects of ultraviolet radiation. Natural finish is the best interior dressing that preserves and also includes a pleasant scent, so the vehicle can be dressed and deodorized all in one step.